Hey guys, this is John here from Find AC Repair.com. I'm just going to give you a very quick tutorial now. This is just really kind of rushing through because as you guys come on at the beginning, to get your profile right, there's a little bit of work to do. Okay, so I want to make sure that you get this right and you do it well. Now, I understand that a lot of you are in a rush, but if you don't take it, if you take your time over this will actually benefit you greatly. I'm not going to go into all the little tips and tricks of links and backlinking and all that kind of stuff. We'll do that later. This is just to get your profile going. Now, obviously, it's very self-explanatory. You'll see as we go through. So you'll land on your dashboard, okay? When you log in. And then all you want to go is go to your contact details. You're going to add your contact details, okay? So this is just a test membership dash that we're going to put on here. And I'm not going to actually add it all up, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first things first. If you're an individual and you're an individual technician and you're on here, then obviously you're going to choose that. But if you're a company, you're going to choose this. And obviously your company name here. So the rest, this is very self-explanatory. Your position, this is quite actually, you can put down you're a CEO or you can put down you're an HVAC technician, or in actual fact, what some people will do is they'll put down, if it's a company, they'll maybe say, you know, AC repair services in their area, boom, and it will actually show on the homepage or it will show on their listing, and that actually is a little bit of a trick that helps you to get a keyword in there, okay? Then you're just going to make sure that you do this, because everybody always forgets this, especially on my legal site. They forget to select what category they're going to be. So you've got two categories, which is very simple. This is not like lawyers where we have tons of categories. You have HVAC and HVAC products. Now, you really, if you're an HVAC company, you're going to be choosing HVAC, and then you will see where this goes, okay? You'll put your phone number in. It can be 1, 2, 3, let's see, 4... and then maybe 4, 5, 6, and then 5, 7, 8, whatever, okay? Put your email address in. And this is something you need to do. Get your address in here. And then you'll find out when you put your address in that it will geo-target you and it will fill this automatically, okay? So let's just say, for instance, let's put in, I don't want to just take any random address because that's a bit unfair, but let me kind of show you anyway. Just go through it and it'll fill all these details in, okay? Put your address in. Put all your links in, very self-explanatory again, and then you're going to save and continue, okay? And I need to put in, so we're going to put in John Thompson. There we go. And we'll save and continue, okay? And that's going to take you to the next phase, okay? The next phase is very simple. This is for your logo and this is for your profile photo. And what I would do is to put good quality, okay? You want to have a really good quality. Don't put anything, if it's smaller than 200 pics, then it is not going to show up. It's going to be blurry and it just won't look nice. So make sure you put a good quality logo in and a good quality profile photo and upload it, okay? And when you've uploaded that, you're then going to move, it'll ask you to save it, and then you'll move to the next area. And this is very important, this area, okay? Because this is where you are actually going to choose your services. So you can choose all of these services. So if you're depending on what level that you've joined at or you're in at, use guys at the beginning, so you get the top level. You can choose everything, see? Oops, I've choose. So I've got 10 levels. I might actually increase, so we'll see how it goes. If any of you do everything there, then let us know and we can put it on. Personal quote or motto. So if you've got a slogan for your company, then put that slogan in. If you're known for a slogan, if you're known for, you know, because we care about your comfort or whatever it is, put it in there, okay? You can also put in the year you're established if you want to. It's not a requisite, but it's a nice thing to do. Now, if you've got a brochure, this is where you can put a PDF, your brochure up there, or you can put maybe an image up there. Some people use it because, you know, they like to have a look at the brochures, and some companies will put this up. Put in as much information here as possible, any awards and everything you've got, boom, and save and continue, and we move to the next position. Now, this is where it gets interesting, because This is where you want to write about your company, and you want to create a bit of emotion. You don't just want to sell the service or sell your product, because if you're overly salesy, you won't get people to make that emotional connection to want to call you. So it's good to talk about, maybe how you started and the successes that you've had, why you love you serving the people, etc., 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 and make it as much as possible. Now, what another big no-no not to do, guys, don't copy and paste it for your website. Take a little bit of time and craft something really good. And what I would say to you is, you can also lead in with a good headline here. So it could be AC Repair, let's say Texas, okay? Texas. And then what you want to do is take maybe this heading format here, okay? And then you can center it, bold it. You can play with the paragraphs, the colors, okay? Let's put it there. The other nice thing I like to do is to add either a video or an image. Now, if you're going to add an image or a video, make sure it's a good quality, because this is your very first part of your profile that people will see. And so you want to have a good quality image. I like to go for, excuse me, 700 by 400 pixels is a really good size, especially because it will also show up on various different formats on social media. Or you can also choose like a Facebook ad size and put it in there. But make sure that, again, your image is emotionally targeting, emotionally connecting, and basically is captivating your audience, okay? So, it could be a comfort photo, it could be something with a family, something that strikes them there, okay? You can also bold this and then go in to write all your content. Now, if you want to, some of you guys already know, you're not wet behind the ears, you know how to link something. So you just click that link and connect it back to your own web page on your own site, or connect it back to maybe an article that you've written on your site, or maybe a special offer or something, okay? And then make sure you do this opening a new tab so that it goes to it opens up a new window, okay? And I mean, I'm going to do this a lot more in depth for you, but this is just to get you going, okay? A good promotional video is an excellent thing to have on there, and definitely do that, okay? Then what you want to do is you're going to go to the next area, which is going to be your service areas. And this is really important because you can actually target, which is really good for the system. You can target different areas. So let's say you were in Florida or Texas or even New York. You could target New Jersey, New York, wherever. You could target different places, Manhattan, wherever you service, you can target these service areas. So write a good bit about your company, put a good image in or a video in, okay? There's other ways I can show you to actually put booking forms and all sorts of things into that, but that gets more advanced. What we want to do is to get you up and running, okay? And then we'll get all the other tutorials about adding jobs, adding coupons and deals and stuff. This is just to get your profile going. Now we go to the service areas. Very important here, guys. This is where you're going to service. So you've got 5 locations. If you need more, give us a shout. We can always work something out. But you put in your location and it's going to show up here. And you're going to add it. If you add all 4 of these, that's 4 done. If you add one of them, that's 1 done. Basically, a lot of people make a mistake and put in everything and they think, oh, I'll just add these. But you could actually be targeting several cities in your county. You could actually say, so let's say I was in Orlando and I was targeting Orlando, Winter Park, and then maybe I was targeting Tampa. I could actually put all these areas in there. And what would happen is the algorithm in the back of our system, when people are searching, you will also show up for those areas. And if you've got good reviews and you've got good stuff going there, the chances are is you are going to get a phone call. Okay, then so that is very important, and this will save automatically. And then you can go and view your listing when it's done properly. Okay, so just going back very easily, contact details, your profile photo, your listing details, etc., etc. Now, you do have to take a little bit of time to really optimize it with links and a good strategy behind it, and you can put articles and all sorts in here, and you can build this out. But you know, it's important that your profile is really professional, and it's your first port of call. And make sure that you know your banner is good, your images are good, everything is clean, presentable, and people know that when they actually view your listing, okay. Now there's going to be nothing on this, but they will be able to, you know, boom, click and call you. They'll be able to send you a message. You know, they can write a review. You know, you can call straight away. You could write a review, boom, ask them to write a review, okay? This is all very, very important stuff, and that's why you want to make it as highly professional as possible. Now, a lot of you might not have time to do so, and even though I've given you, you know, you've got free membership of this, I do have a team. We can set you up, but I can't give you that free. If you want us to actually do your whole setup for you, images and everything else, and you know, adding maybe videos we find out, optimizing and writing the content and getting your profile perfect, we are going to charge for that. But we're not going to charge an awful lot. We're only going to charge about $150 per profile, and because there's a lot of work that goes into it. And if you want to do that, then message it. You don't have to do it on your own. If you're good in the computer, go ahead, get it done. But if you don't have time and you want us to do it for you, reach out to us. We'll charge you a one-off fee, and we'll crack on and get it done for you. You know, and we will also optimize it in the back end for you at the same time. So, let me get rid of this. Okay, so that is it. That's very, very simple how to basically set this up. There's going to be tons more tutorials that we're going to add in, because there's so much that you can do with this system to promote your business, to gain leads. You've got your own video gallery. You've got so much that you can do with content, etc. But I just want to give you a little bit of a heads up on how to quickly manipulate and set up your profile so that it can start getting out there. And the quicker it gets out there, here you see, as you add in your social media, your widgets and social widgets will actually pop up here, and you'll see your Facebook pages and your Twitter feeds, etc., etc. And these are your searches that you'll get shown for as well. Okay, so any questions, hit us back up. There will be a live chat down here very shortly. But that's it. Very simple to set up. And then once it's set up, we'll have a look at it, and then we'll get on to the next stages to make your presentation of your company top in your area. Have a wonderful day. God bless.